Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, today we will study a new lesson of political science. The name of the chapter is power sharing. Our topic is power sharing and its forms in modern democracies. Power sharing is a scheme of sharing power by different groups or levels for smooth functioning of any system. It rests on the basic principle of giving permanent share in government to all ethnic groups of the country. From the name of the chapter, it is clear that what the power sharing is. It means to share the power of governance among the people, among the different groups of the nation. What are the different forms of this power sharing? There are certain forms of power sharing in modern democracies. All the forms of power sharing are different from each other from point of view of their structures, objectives, results, etc. Dear students, some of these forms which I give you the name are discussed as power sharing among different organs of government, and the organs are legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature is an organ of the government which makes laws for the country. Executive is the organ that implements the decisions of legislature, and judiciary is the organ which uses these laws. For example, powers in our country are divided among government, bureaucracy, and courts of our constitution. Power is shared among the different levels of government. It means that in federal system of government, there is one central government which has the power to execute decisions in the whole country. And there are many provincial governments for different provinces of the country. So far as India is concerned, in India, powers are divided among central government and the state governments. And these powers have been given by our constitution. Power is shared among different social groups of the country like linguistic groups and religious groups. This method of power sharing is used in many countries to give proper share of power to minority communities. For example, community government of Belgium. Then we have another point. Power is shared among different political parties and pressure groups. For example, in India, there is multi-party system. We have various parties in India, and these parties like Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Bharatiya Socialist Party, Bharatiya Communist Party, Janata Dal, Biju Janata Dal, and many other these parties. So all these parties or these groups share the government, these organs share the power and give advantage and give importance to their public and fulfill their grievances through judiciary, through executive and through legislature. So dear students, you learned that how powers are shared in different organs of the government, and these powers are channelized for the people of the country. So dear students, this was our today's lesson on power sharing and its importance. Let's go ahead inshallah tomorrow. Thank you very much.